What's up everyone, welcome to this video. In this video I will show you how to fix black screen won't turn on issue on Galaxy S25 Ultra. So to fix this issue, first of all try connecting your charger for 15 to 20 minutes, and after connecting your charger from 15 to 20 minutes your phone will restart. But if it doesn't fix your problem, then try force restarting your phone. So to force restart, press and hold the volume down button and power button for 15 to 20 seconds. And after doing this, it will show a Samsung logo on the screen and your screen will start working properly. But after these solutions, if you are still facing the same black screen issue, then take your phone to the repairing shop and let them repair your screen. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.